Hello, my name is Dr. Sue Ellen Christopoulos Nutting, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to access interlibrary loan forms through PubMed. Okay, so go to the NYCC webpage, click on the quick links, go through your faculty or your student portal, make sure you put in your username and your password, click login. And then once you get to the faculty portal page, you're going to want to go down to Faculty Resources on the left-hand side and click on Library. Once you're there, you're going to want to click on LibGuides. And then right here on the left, you'll see where it says Helpful Resources. And there you want to click on PubMed. Now you always want to use this PubMed and don't go to Google and put in PubMed, because as you will see, this PubMed is specifically for NYCC library users. So I'm going to use a search string here using my quotes of muscle function and stability. I'm also going to end that with musculoskeletal. Okay. And again, one of the reasons that we want to use the NYCC PubMed is specific because right here, if you click on NYCC Library, you'll get full text access to all of the articles that we have available. But if you just are open to anything, if you look over here, you'll see this one. We have PMID number. Same thing here. This is a free PMC article. That means that it's full text, it's open access. But what I want to show you is down here, so let's say that this one, chronic neck pain patients with traumatic and non-traumatic onset. This is perfect. This is exactly what you want. So you click on this one. And then you're going to see these two links on the right-hand side. And they say full text links. But if you click on this, and I'll show you, we don't get anything. And really what that means is that we don't have full text access to it. So if you go here and click on Interlibrary Loan, you will get this. And what you need to do is request interlibrary loan. And then you're going to see submit an ILL request for this item or check library catalog. Now I'm going to show you, if you click on submit an ILL request form for this item, and I'll show it to you, you're going to be asked for your portal username and password because again, this is from off campus. Click on login. Excuse me. And so you have this form. And as you can see, nothing is pre-filled for you. If you watched my video before, how to do ILL request forms from EBSCO, you could see that things were pre-filled. So you really have a choice. You can fill this out yourself, or if you go back to this page, you can do request interlibrary loan. And then here you'll see that everything is pre-filled for you. So all you have to do is put in your borrowing or your information. So your full name, the campus, so on and so forth. And once you say that no, you're not a robot and that you submit it, it will go directly to our ILL coordinator. Once again, if you have any questions or any problems, please contact me at snutting@nycc.edu. Thank you and be safe.